Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through a step-by-step process on how to forward your WhatsApp status to Facebook. If you want to share your WhatsApp stories with your Facebook friends, this full guide is here to help. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your device. Locate the WhatsApp icon and tap on it to launch the app. Step 2. Once you're in the main interface of WhatsApp, look for the Updates tab and tap on it. Find your status and tap on it to view it in full. Step 3. In the top right corner of the screen, you'll see 3 stacked lines. Tap on it to access the Options menu. Step 4. In the Options menu, locate and tap on the Forward option. This will allow you to share your status with others. Step 5. Now, you'll see a list of your contacts. Tap on the contacts that you want to forward your story to. You can select multiple contacts if desired. Step 6. Once you've selected the contacts, tap on the Forward button to share your WhatsApp status with them. By following these simple steps, you can easily forward your WhatsApp status to Facebook and share your stories with your Facebook friends. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps you seamlessly share your WhatsApp stories with your Facebook friends. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials and tricks.